Jacob, your new Motor Trend certified vehicle comes with cosmetic wheel repair. Are you familiar with cosmetic wheel repair?
No, not really.
Okay. Jacob, you've been to a fast food restaurant, right?
Yes, sir.
You've been to a drive-in banking before, right?
Yes, sir.
If you'll notice, next time you're at a fast food restaurant or a bank, you'll notice that the curbs are all black. All right? It's where people run into them. Have you ever run into a curb with your wheel?
I have.
Okay, so you scratch or gouge your alloy wheel?
Mm-hmm.
Did you look into what it would take to have that fixed, Jacob?
I did not.
Okay, most of those can be fixed. It's $100 to $200. However, you did end up paying for those gouges or scratches. You know how?
How's that?
Well, when you trade or sell your car, someone looks at that wheel, they're going to deduct from the value of your vehicle the cost of having that repaired. You'll be glad to know that with your Motor Trend certified vehicle, for the first 6 months of ownership, cosmetic wheel repair comes complimentary. So if you scratch or you gouge your wheel on a curb, we will fix it, or we will have it fixed for you at no cost. And if you plan on keeping your vehicle longer than 6 months, you want to look into extending that. Check with our finance department. They'll show you how to do it.
Yes, sir.
Okay? That's cosmetic wheel repair.